Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to compile and run a C++ program using G++ on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so guys, first of all we have to check whether this G++ is installed on our Ubuntu system or not. Okay, so for this we have to open terminal. So let me minimize this. Okay guys, so just go to the desktop, right click on that and then click on this open terminal. And guys, you can see that here we have this terminal opened, and you can also open this terminal by using another method. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so just click on this show applications, and here we have the search box. Just do a search for terminal, and here we have the terminal. Click on it and you can see guys, it's opened. Okay, so here we have the terminal. So in order to check whether G++ is installed on our Ubuntu system or not, you have to type this command g++ space -- version and hit enter key on the keyboard. And you can see guys, I have this G++ 7.4.0 is installed. Okay, and guys, if you get any error like this G++ command not found or not recognized, that means you don't have this G++ is installed. Okay, so in order to install that on your Ubuntu system, you have to type this command sudo apt install build-essential. Okay, so the command is sudo space apt space install space build-essential. Okay, and guys, this command is also in the video description, you can check it out. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard, provide your administrative password, hit enter, and you can see guys, I already have this build-essential is already the newest version. Okay, so I don't need to install that. If you don't have this, just install it. Okay, so let me clear the terminal. Okay guys, so you can see that I have this hello world .cpp, this file, this C++ program, this file on my desktop. Okay, so let me open this. Okay guys, so you can see that I have this C++ program. Okay, and it will print hello world. Okay, so let me close this, let me minimize this. Okay guys, so in order to compile this, we have to come to the desktop. So currently I'm in my home directory. So if I type this command pwd, hit enter, you can see that I'm in my home directory. PW stands for print working directory. Okay, so in order to go to the desktop, so I need to type this command cd space desktop and hit enter, and now I'm on my desktop. Okay, so if I type ls and hit enter, you can see that I have this file. Okay, so in order to compile this file, we have to type this command g++ space and the file name. Okay, so file name is hello world.cpp, so we have to type this. So just type your file name. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. And you can see guys, here we have this a.out, the compiled file we have. Okay, so in order to run this, because this is binary, so in order to run this, you have to type this command ./a.out, and after that hit enter. And you can see guys, here we have this hello world printed. Okay, and guys, suppose if you want to give the name of the output file by yourself. Okay, so you have to type this command g++ space and the name of the file, that is hello world.cpp in my case. Okay, and then space, and you have to use this flag -o, okay, for output file, and then space and the name of the output file that you want to give. Okay, so I want to give this name hello world. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. And you can see guys, here we have this hello world, this binary file created. Okay, so in order to run this, just type this command ./ and the name of the file. So it's hello world in my case, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard, and you can see guys it's printed hello world. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily compile and run a C++ program using G++ on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.